some reason this truck really loves 75 miles per hour. You know, going 85, it'll be about 14 and a half, 15, probably average, which is pretty damn good. Right now, truck has 295, 65 R20s. We got to slow down right now. Just with a 2.5 inch leveling coil kit. Truck's leveled with airbags in the rear. 2015 F250 with the 6.7. So pretty fuel economical. I could be driving a little slower, around 75, maybe even 72. I'd probably be getting about 18 miles per gallon. Now this truck is not deleted, stock emissions, so I can only imagine what I'd be getting, maybe a mile per gallon or 1 to 2 miles per gallon better, just based off of the amount of regens the truck does while driving. So I want to say my truck regens roughly every 250 miles highway, and I think it actually accumulates quicker the more city driving I do. All right, hey, what's up guys? So I've been on the road for the past pretty much 2 days, day and a half, whatever, driving from North Carolina to Texas. And so I'm almost to Texas. Almost made it to Texas on one full tank, and this is off of the midship fuel tank. I wanted to show you where I'm at on the dash, fuel economy wise, and then kind of do a hand calculated what kind of mileage I've gotten so far from 835 miles. Before I show you my dash, right now I have a stock, well not stock, I have a leveled setup, 2.5 inch level from the front, airbags in the rear, 295/65 R20 tires, so slightly larger from the factory 275/65 R20 size. Other than that, everything's factory on this truck, stock airbox. So yeah, let me go ahead and flip this camera around and show you where I'm at on the dash. All right guys, so here it is, 13 hours 44 minutes on the road, 51.4 gallons used. The midship fuel tank's actually a 60 gallon fuel tank. 835 miles traveled so far, 16.2 miles per gallon. So I'm gonna go ahead, fill the truck up. Paying $3.99 right here. All right, so I have 2 receipts. Well, 1.5 because I tried pulling it out, and as my brothers would call this, a pinche puto. So this is 2.703. And let's see, 50 gallons, 0.01. So I'm gonna go ahead and add up these gallons and divide it by 835 miles to get me the hand calculated miles per gallon. 52.716 gallons, 835 miles traveled. So 835 divided by 52.716, and I get 15.8 miles per gallon. So not bad. I would take that any day of the week. I was traveling from about 70 to 90 miles per hour, with more so an average of about 75 miles per hour. So not too shabby. Slightly larger tires. I think if I was deleted and I had stock tires, that this would probably be higher by about 2 miles per gallon, because I've done at least 3 regens within 835 miles. So by the time I get to Texas, I'll probably have another 4th. But anyways, I just wanted to share this information with y'all, some that are curious about what the miles per gallon that you get on these trucks. And yeah, this is stock platform, so yeah, I can't complain.